it's very simple. You basically cook the cauliflower over medium heat and just kind of allow it to dry and remove some of that excess moisture that cauliflower tends to hold on to, especially because it's been frozen. And if you see, I added some green onions just to start developing that flavor. And while that is also drying up, I'm gonna go ahead and add Italian seasoning, because again, this is all a part of flavor development that's gonna start to infuse into the cauliflower as it begins to cook and dry up. And then near the end, I'll add the rest of the stuff. But this will probably take about 3 to 5 minutes, depending on just the heat. And you can stir it. Sometimes I like to put a higher heat and get a little chard on it, but I'll do that near the end as I start to see the size, the volume shrink, hence more water being removed. Okay, so just to see how quick this is, after the cauliflower has cooked down a bit and moisture has been removed, you can hear it, nice sizzle, there's some color to it. Here I have actually edamame, which I eat on my salad. But anyways, now for color, I add annatto just because I want to. You don't have to. I sometimes add turmeric for color as well, whatever you want, whatever appeals to your eyesight. And then here I'm going to be adding some Bragg's nutritional yeast. I love it because once it touches heat and has contact with that, it really brings out that Parmesan-like flavor that it's known for. And there's a lot of vitamins in there, B vitamin, and very nutritious. I love adding this to the cauliflower rice. Definitely adds a depth of flavor. So you can see it kind of added some color to it. Probably not the best through the camera. And there is some salt in here, not a lot. It's only 25 milligrams per tablespoon. I've added about 3 tablespoons here. And just for an added kick, because I don't really use salt in my cooking, I'm okay with adding some aminos as well to add more flavor to this. So I'm going to go ahead and add a bit. Not a lot. And honestly, this is it. This is it. I will have this usually with a side of roasted Brussels sprouts and mushrooms, or I may even add a side of cooked egg whites depending on my needs, my cravings, and how I'm feeling. So there you go. Enjoy it. You can even add some texture vegetable protein. You can add some ground turkey if you're still, if you're still eating meat. You can add ground turkey. You can add a side of steak or chicken. But if you're looking for a lower carb option, this is definitely a lot of flavor here. Alrighty.